Hi guys, Filmoments here. In this video, I will show you how to install and run Audacity on Android. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Audacity is the world's most popular audio editing and recording app, which is available only on PC, but in this video, I will show you step by step on how to install and run it on your Android phone. Now first, open your browser and search for Win Later. Now tap on the first result. And here, click on this download button and it will redirect you to this GitHub site. And then scroll down until you see this Win Later APK. Next, click on it to download the file. After the download is complete, install it. If you get this warning, just click this More Details and click Install Anyway. After that, let's open the app. Now, in this page, click this plus button up here. You can just follow the way I set it up. For the screen size, I choose the 16:9. Then for the audio driver, I'll set it to pulse audio. After that, click this check button. And that will create a container. Next, let's go back to our home screen and then let's open a browser again. Open a new tab and search for Audacity. Now tap on this Audacity official site. In here, make sure to download the one which says download without mishap. After you download, go back to Win Later app. Then go to computer, then drive D. Now look for the Audacity file that we have downloaded. Now double tap on it. Then just install it by following the prompts. And that's it. You have successfully installed and run the Audacity right inside your Android phone. I hope you learned something from this video. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe. That will be a big help for us to create more videos like this in the future. Until next time, peace out.